College of Naturopaths of Ontario exists to protect the public interest by ensuring that Ontarians who wish to access naturopathic doctors have access to safe, ethical, and competent care. We do this in part by holding our members accountable for their conduct. Self-regulation is a partnership between the public and the profession. This means that on the Council and all of its committees, both the public and naturopathic doctors are represented. This ensures that the public voices and the public interest are heard in all of the key decisions made by the College. The College serves the public by performing 4 main functions. The first is to ensure that individuals entering the practice meet the strict practice requirements. The second is to set the standards of practice of the profession, which are really the rules governing how a naturopath would practice. The third is we help them remain current in their practice. And finally, we hold them accountable for their conduct. There are 2 important groups involved in the governance of the College. The first is the Council of the College, which is made up of both members of the public and naturopathic doctors. The Council is essentially the board of directors, and it sets the policy and strategic direction of the College. The second group is a group of staff led by the Registrar, who are responsible for the day-to-day operations of the College. Together, these 2 groups make sure that the College meets its mandate, which is legislated by law. That mandate is to protect the public interest. The notion of safe, ethical, and competent care is universal among regulated health professionals. The College's standards and guidelines, policies, and programs really rely on these 3 ideals and incorporate them into the practice of naturopathic medicine. Safe means do no harm. Ethical means putting the patient's interests above all other interests, in particular the interests of a naturopathic doctor. Competent relies on the education and skill that you had when you entered the profession, but building on that over time. As members of the College, naturopathic doctors have a fundamental duty to know and uphold the rules governing the profession. They have to maintain and build on their competencies over time, and this allows them to ensure that they always serve the best interests of their patients.